Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified specialist with Woodland Direct, and today I want to talk to you about what you can expect with the order of an Empire Boulevard Vent-Free fireplace. The first thing you'll want to do is you're going to inspect your fireplace for obvious damage. And it's just a visual inspection, walking around your fireplace to make sure no one has driven a forklift into it, make sure there's no big dents that you need to be aware of. Secondly, I would like for you to take a look at the tag, and on that tag you'll find a serial number. Jot that down in case there's a warranty in the future, or if there is an issue with damage, we will need that number to make sure that you're taken care of. Thirdly, we're going to start taking this apart, and you're simply going to be unscrewing your boards to get down to your fireplace. Now, one thing to note, your delivery may not have all of this extra wood. If it does, awesome. If it doesn't, that's okay too. Ours just happens to be like this, and so we're going to dive into this right now. All right, typically for this part, it's easier if you have somebody else on hand to help remove this top part. Our next step is to remove the straps and as well as the plastic. Now we have our fireplace all unboxed and ready to go. I want to take note of the cardboard box that was on the pallet behind our fireplace. I've opened it up already for you. In this box, you have your installation package, you have your remote control, you have your AC power adapter, you have your wall switch. Make sure this box comes with your fireplace and has everything that you need and everything that you ordered. Lastly, we're looking at getting access to the components on the inside of the fireplace. In order to do that, we're going to need to remove this mesh barrier. So I'm going to do that right now. With the mesh barrier removed, we now have access to everything. The first thing you'll notice is this package here. It says careful glass. In this package, we have a length of the burner, depending on what size fireplace you ordered, of glass. It's about 2 inches tall. That's a burner barrier. Stops any kind of gust of wind, changes atmosphere. It'll stop that from negatively impacting the flames. Secondly, you have mesh. The mesh is designed to go on top of this opening, where I put my hand in through. Top of this opening, parallel with the burner. That's where you're going to put your media. Okay? Now the last thing I want to note is the identification tags. Those are hidden underneath this reflective barrier. So I'm going to pull up this reflective barrier and get access to those tags. These tags, as you can see, serial number, model number, gas type, BTU output, gas pressure, all of that information is found on these tags. Please, please, please make sure they stay put inside your fireplace. And secondly, record that information. That's what we have the installation manual there for. Write it down in there. That way, in case of replacing parts, you always have your serial number handy. There's also warning labels, installation instructions. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. All right, that's everything that you need to know about unboxing your Empire Boulevard Vent-Free Gas Fireplace. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or visit us online at www.woodlanddirect.com.